Section 3 of the Shim Sham is the Tack Annie. Now the Tack Annie gets its name from a woman named Annie who used to do this dance, and there's sort of a lot of different stories and legends about who Annie actually was. I have heard that she was a barmaid. I have heard that she was a prostitute. And in both of these stories that I've heard, the Tack Annie dance is something she would do to entertain her customers. I found out at some point that Tack Annie, the reason for the T-A-C-K, is because she actually had a nickname of a Tack Annie. She was also known for getting into fights. So that eventually got abbreviated to Tack Annie, and this is a step. You're going to start with 2 stamps, and that's going to be 8. And actually, you're coming off that crossover step, so you've just stepped across with that left foot. So you're going to go 8. All right, so again, you have 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to brush back and touch the toe. And then you're going to stamp, brush back and touch the toe, stamp, brush back and touch the toe, stamp, brush, step on the toe. Okay, putting it all together is going to be 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You do it again. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You do it one more time. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you're going to do the same break we learned in the Shim Sham section. Step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. Okay. So putting that all together, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, da, 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 da. Okay. I want to tell you a couple things about the Tack Annie step. When I first learned this, I learned to do it side to side. So instead of brushing back, I brushed side and brought it right next to the other foot. Then, that was my first tap teacher. My next tap teacher was like, what are you doing with the side to side stuff? It's a brush back. And actually that brush back makes it a whole lot easier. That side brush is kind of a funky technique and is harder to master. So if you think about brushing back on that diagonal and touching behind the other foot, that should be easier for you. The other thing you want to watch out for when I teach this to people learning them for the first time, very often we get to that third set and they add that stamp in it. The stamp is the beginning. It is not the end. So you've got to end with that step on the left foot just like you've ended every other one. And then you just have that one step. And it's a pause compared to when you do this. Okay, so let's go through the whole Tack Annie section one more time. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.